Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a tasty and delicious mini strawberry cheesecake boxes. To make this strawberry cheesecake box, I am using two disposable boxes. These are about 3 to 3.5 inches. It's less than 4 inches. Take some digestive biscuits in a small mixie jar and break it up roughly. Grind this to make a smooth powder. Mix it lightly and then add some melted butter and blend this again. I've given all the ingredients list in the description box, you can check it out. Now mix this well together. Transfer this equally into both boxes and press it nice and firm. For the cheesecake layer, take a medium-sized mixie jar, add in some chopped strawberries and some cream cheese. Then add some cream and then some sugar. Finally, add some melted white chocolate. This white chocolate will help the cheesecake to set well. Blend this all well together. Transfer this into the boxes. Divide it equally and transfer it into these boxes. Cover this again and leave it in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours to set well. After 2 hours, we'll do the top layer. For this, take about 4 to 5 strawberries. Chop it roughly. Add some sugar to it and then add a little bit of lemon juice. Blend this well to make a smooth puree like this. Transfer this on top of the cheesecake layer. Close this and leave it in the refrigerator for 1 hour to set well. After 1 hour, remove it from the fridge, decorate it as you wish, and it's ready to serve. So this is it, a very easy and simple strawberry cheesecake box is done. My daughter loves strawberry and mango cheesecakes. So instead of making a large cheesecake, I make these small boxes and leave it in the fridge. She loves to come home and eat a little bit every day from this cheesecake box. This cheesecake tastes mildly sweet and tangy and absolutely delicious. If you love strawberries and if you love cheesecakes, you have to try this recipe. Until next time, bye-bye.